Good morning. My name is Sapna Dhameja and I'm your examiner. And today is your speaking test and this test will be recorded. What's your good name?
My name is Harnoor Kaur.
How may I call you?
You can call me Harnoor.
May I see your identification, Noor?
Yes, please.
Thank you. Okay. Where do you come from?
I have come from Tohana. It is in a Haryana state. It is a very small town.
Do you like this place?
Yes, indeed, I like this place very much because I have lived here from my birth. It is my birthplace,
What do you like most about this place?
Well, I have completed my schooling from this place and I have living from my birth here, and also there are many hospitals and parks which I like the most.
Okay, so few questions related to sleeping. How many hours do you sleep every day?
Usually I sleep 6 to 7 hours in the night because I do not get a leisure time in the daytime because I am taking classes or regarding to the education.
Okay. Is it necessary to take a nap every day?
It is actually evident, or I have read from newspaper that people should take a nap in the afternoon because it usually enhance their productivity also.
Do all people sleep a lot?
I have seen many a times people do not usually sleep a lot because they are very indulged in their day-to-day life and they do not get spare time to sleep.
How many hours of sleep are necessary for a person?
I think for a student, 5 hours are obligatory because they should learn many things in the daytime. But to adults, 6 and 7 hours are sufficient.
Okay, some questions related to public transport. What form of transport do you usually use?
Most commonly, I use my private transport, scooty. Usually, I don't use the public transport because they are very far from my home. I do not get comfortable at it, and they are not convenient for me.
Okay. What form of public transport do you prefer to use if you have to?
I guess I would use private transport because it is very comfortable, convenient, and very faster mode of transport.
Is the transportation very crowded in your country nowadays?
I think yes, because people usually prefer to use the public transport because they find it convenient because they do not have a private mode of transport because their earning is very low.
Okay. So this is your cue card and you have 1 minute. Do you need paper and pencil for making notes? Starts now.
Okay. Presently, I live in a small town and indeed a very big house I live in. And it has several rooms in my house and also yards in the front and the back of my house. I would like to. I usually like to live in a house which is in the suburbs of the town, and it will not be very big house because big house are usually very difficult to maintain, so it would have three main rooms and a lobby, and a yard in the front, and also there is a garden side of my house, and I would like to mention a swimming pool at the back side of my backyard. And I usually love gardening at my house. I would maintain green vegetables. I would like to grow green veggies like okra, tomatoes, or many seasonal vegetables also. Every room and my total house would be like totally lit and very clean. I would like to maintain it like spick and span. um, I think most of the time that I would not use fertilizers or any pesticide. I would maintain it like organic matter at my house, and this will be like useful for my health also. And I hope to live in a house. Yeah.
Okay. Do most Indian people live in an apartment or house?
I think usually people are like to prefer to live in an apartment because it is very convenient. They have many facilities there regarding to the children or adults. Also, they have the parks in the society.
Do young people in your country like to live with their parents or by themselves?
If I talk about the past, young people usually prefer to live with their parents because they think parents have born them, they have the facility, they have provided many things, so it's their responsibility to give them in return something. But nowadays, I usually seen that the youngsters wants to live alone, like apart from their family. They want to be independent by themselves.
Would you live in a foreign country in the future?
Yes, indeed. I think I will live in a foreign country because it has many facilities regarding to the infrastructure, education also.
How is modern home design in your country different to that of the past?
I think it has revolved like most of the times because in the past it was traditional pattern, but nowadays many of the youngsters are usually like going to this tradition that they have the knowledge of internal decors, and they are developing their house in a very well manner, very good manner.
Thank you, Noor. This is the end of the test.